Does pressure keep the deep ocean from freezing? No, no. But you were probably hoping for a more in-depth answer. So let's take a deep dive to the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean. Down here, there's 11 kilometers of water pressing down on you from above, and the weight of all that water generates around 1,000 times atmospheric pressure. And pressure can melt ice. Like, you only need 500 times atmospheric pressure to melt ice down to -4 degrees Celsius. If you have 1,000 times atmospheric pressure, like at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, then you'll melt ice down to around -9 Celsius. But that's for fresh water. For salty seawater, everything more or less gets shifted colder depending on the salinity. On the ocean's surface, salt water doesn't freeze until around 2 degrees Celsius below zero. But for various reasons related to circulation and salinity and temperature and convection, and the fact salt water freezes into freshwater ice. For complicated reasons, deep ocean water is often around 0 degrees to 4 degrees Celsius and doesn't get much colder than 2 degrees Celsius below zero, which are temperatures. While pressure could in principle keep the ocean from freezing, it doesn't really get a chance. That you for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and share it with friends and family.